Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers now can show you the full process of Printheads alignment on HP DeskJet Advantage 4615. First thing to click on the settings button, then scroll down and find tools, click OK. Now scroll down once and here on the second point you will see align printhead. Click OK and wait for alignment page. Cool, as you can see, alignment page was successfully printed, and here as you can see we have two squares, and on the top of the page we have three squares. And here we have the image how we need to locate this page. As you can see, here we have the printer's screen, and we need to locate it in the way that these three squares we need to locate on this side. So in my case it's right side of the printer. So open the copy glass. And here as you can see we have three squares, so located in this way, and close cover. Click OK and wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.